Hi everybody, it's Dr. Lee here. So today I want to talk to you about my essentials and 10 things I can't live without as a plastic surgeon. Alright, so here I have my loupes, my surgical loupes. It allows me to see, and a lot of times I operate on small intricate areas including the nose, the face, and these I've had with me for about the past 10 years now. They are prescription, but then they also kind of come with 2.5 times magnification, so it allows me to see the small structures that I need to operate on. Okay, so here I have the Clinical Hydra-Cool serum, and I love this because it really hydrates your skin, and I kind of have dry skin a lot of times and I'm operating for hours and hours, and I like to put this on once in the morning and once at night, so it keeps my skin well hydrated. So here I have my favorite type of speaker. It's the JBL Charge 4. I need music all the time, especially in the operating room, and it helps me focus, stay on track, and most importantly, it helps time go by quicker. A lot of people mistake this for my purse or my purse, but in fact, it's my lunchbox. So the wife today packed me some pasta and a little container full of grapes and blueberries and peach. And a lot of times I just don't have time in between my cases or seeing consults, and I don't have the luxury to just kind of order food from Postmates and whatnot. So this kind of fixes my hunger and prevents me from becoming hangry. All right, so the next thing I want to talk to you guys about are my surgical caps. And these are caps that I've kind of collected over the years, and they kind of have, it kind of speaks to a little bit about my personality too. And some days I want to be a bit more wild and colorful. Other days I want to look more professional and calm. And it's nice to just kind of mix things up. All right, so now I have my favorite accessory of all time, my glasses. I used to not wear glasses until about college, and then my eyesight just started to become worse and worse. And now I do wear glasses about 90% of the time, and it allows me to see, of course. But these are one of my favorite pairs, and they're kind of aviator shape, a little bit of vintage, but I just love to kind of mix and match these as well. And my all-time favorite computer, the MacBook Air. So I carry around my laptop everywhere I go. It has so much information that I've kind of collected over the years, and I'm always reviewing and I'm trying to stay cutting edge. And so I'm always learning, and I carry this everywhere to work, home, vacations, everywhere. All right, so next, my shoe collection. I have a pair of Alexis and my Bottegas as well, and I love these shoes because they're open. And I operate sometimes for 2 to 5 hours a day sometimes, and I just need an easy way to give a little bit of pressure and let my feet kind of air. So I love these open feet shoes. Okay, so here's my card holder. I always keep this on my left chest, and most importantly, I carry this to work because I use this as a little bag to keep my ring when I'm scrubbing in and I'm operating. I always put this in the hole, and I keep this close to my left chest in my pocket because, let me tell you a funny story. I was operating one time and I tied my ring onto my scrub pants, and after a 10-hour case, you don't remember that kind of stuff. And I took off my scrub pants, I put it back in the dispenser, and there went my ring. So now I keep it close to me. All right, last but not least, my tote bag. I used to have a smaller bag than this when I was in training and before, but I love to carry around everything I have in my bag, and then I would get plenty full of comments saying that your bag's about to explode and so on and so forth. So now I carry around this tote bag, who my mother-in-law actually bought for my last birthday. So I've been carrying this for about the past year ever since, and I love it. I put everything inside.